Welcome to this episode of Ink It Up with Jessica TV. I'm Jessica Taylor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these easy fall thank you cards. So these cards are quick and easy because they start with a pre-cut, pre-scored note card that comes with an envelope. So all you need to do is fold on the score line to make your card, and you're ready to get started. If you've been hoarding 12 by 12 pretty papers, this is a great way to turn them into a stack of cards. So the main piece on this is a 3" by 3" piece of designer series paper, and this is a double-sided one, so you could choose which side to use. I chose to use the leaf pattern. I find that this works best with a pattern that's a little bit closer and a little bit smaller. This isn't real small, but if you go with bigger floral patterns or bigger patterns of any kind, you're going to lose some of the overall effect of the paper. So a tighter, smaller design works better. And you can cut one sheet of 12 by 12 paper into 16 pieces. So you can make 16 cards from one sheet of paper. Let me show you. The base piece of cardstock that I use for the background of my card is 3¼ inches by 4¾ inches. So all we need to do now is tape these pieces together. I'm going to start by just putting some adhesive on the back of my pretty square. And then I'm going to choose to layer that at the bottom of my paper. I just want to make sure that I have an even border around the three bottom sides. And then I'll go ahead and tape this to the front of my card. I think these little note cards are the perfect size for just writing a short thank you note. And they are mailable. Next, we're going to make our thank you greeting. I'm going to use the thank you stamp from the Love What You Do stamp set from Stampin' Up! And I've just put it on a clear block here. I'm going to use Blackberry Bliss ink so that it matches my cardstock and the pattern on my paper. Once I've stamped it, I'm going to punch it out with my everyday label punch. So you just click on this to slide the punch open, and then if you hold your punch upside down, you can see to center your words right within the punch. I'll add 2 Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of this to just pop it up from my card a tiny bit. You could also just tape this straight down onto your card front. Then I just layer this over top of the pretty paper. So there you go. There are some easy fall thank you cards that you can make. And if you have pretty papers and supplies already at home, you can certainly make these in lots of different designs for lots of different occasions. And if you would like the supplies that I used for these fall thank you cards, you can find the supply list down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I do hope that you'll start to send more thank you cards. Happy stamping!